Hello and welcome to the Happiness from Within tour with Mike and Uncle B. Join us as Mike, Shannon, and I discuss what traits create that happiness from within. In times of uneasiness and unrest, there are people that still remain happy. How do they do it? Are they born with it? Do they acquire it? Is it a choice? We're going to discuss all that with a little excerpt from Tim the Bonsai Tree Man. So a plant like this took 4 years, and it was transplanted how many times?
This is probably like 3 times.
3 times. And it was transplanted 3 times. And what's Cooking with Shannon? In this episode, Shannon is going to take us from her garden to the kitchen with 2 great recipes we know you're going to love.
That was very good.
This?
Yes.
I don't think we showed it. I don't think we showed you all this. This is, what's it called, honey? Docos with a D. The meal preparations are done. Your spot at the table has been reserved. We have been waiting for you. Welcome. It is time to discuss and examine those traits that create happiness from within while eating a great meal prepared by Shannon. How can some people be happy all the time? Remember, you are part of this discussion, so please don't hesitate to comment. Get ready, everybody. It's the Happiness from Within tour with Mike and Uncle B, and what's Cooking with Shannon? Tune in to the Happiness Within tour with Mike and Uncle B.